Enuanu adofo ede me chie obia na me asame ye video na me pese oman no eyiye yete osie chinya oda hwa na wotafre te se ne tie bia no sebi me man Ghana no eyiye a ye nyina ye ho betoyen enti misra wo video so ameyi enya mane som sem se MPP ana NDC enti misra wo se wo ye MPP ni a nya se aban we wo so no wo ye MPP ni na mebo na chi misra wo lemu na meye mistake ni problem no every both MPP ni NDC nyina na me de dawura mebo ne se omo betie na emwa sabi men so nimudi a mede bo no mede aboa wo mo na akoyie enu nti na ma me yesa enu nti ne aban a wote so yi before okra me start this video yi me be ko Ghana me sheda twa ticket ko Ghana because of saade we you ese o die me sheda frame minister se die minimu ni anka metime de aboa eno mo bo metugu ye enipa no wunnimu ade no obi a wunnimu no so be kire awo se wontie no aba ho anje de nsem bibre na enam mesra mu mpese meka ade kekere bi mu bi ade se ade a me yenya se me ye ne kwa mimi si so no a me yakora by the age of 12 years me papa wo meka baby enti akra na me ton paper bag rubber bag jeje ye ku na me ton ade wo UTC anim o the whole Ghana wo pe bibi ato na wunye bi wo ba wa na benye na me ka ho bi estarte edwadie kwa Abidjan Lagos Togo Molovia estarte ti me starte Kumasi revolution first Kumasi stand for no munni dwankra me shase me yes ade no me di kiwi porridge ne branco me di duru Kumasi kukura mpo no mo so mo ntome force wo e di bi ko e me di hardware na wo Kumasi me do mo ba akra ene mu hwe santefo bibiri abaye abenye sika ne lot of things ne despite no majako everybody enti ade na me ye no enye se me ye ne ko me wo practical aspect ena ade bi esi Ghana no minim edwadie no minim de esi Ghana a omo koba omu hu so no ene according to Ken Oforiata the budget na say ye oko Ghana production no ye nto enti no obi kofa bi wa mane ne ba eyefo enu nti no obetum adamfo ye nya ne saa o ye free trade Margaret Thatcher 1979 before obeban or campaigning about free trade so ena socialism market ni nyina obebo guye privatization mesha da baso abe chire pa de ntia am Ghana fo ne abibiman no yaka chire ayanti niema bia ase sese de Margaret Thatcher de baaye no ye bibiman ne yanti ase o enu na ama Asia man no ne Europe na America ni nyina overtake no ye de ne koye say your resources national resources enu you could depending on that enti agenda na Margaret Thatcher de buy assistant viase the whole world is controlled by market and they control so enti yen so ye de no so de anti as Ghana no problem why you koye ne say privatization na any free trade na Margaret Thatcher introduce ye o introduce in 1979 o buy an oye or start ye to campaign before oye Dr. Hilary Man buy no the reason a jeje no be kun crofo na ade bibire ne say well na ye ni free trade na there was a socialism market any wo ho na buy ne kra ne yema sa buy an kra na big companies pe ne be mo import lands on be kra ne yema there was a shortage into wo mo soldier for kra no mo ntia se ene Ghana for no bibire no mo ntia se when I say let the blood flow, then that problem, then just a champion mu problem. Now, the system on the cause was hard, but almost nobody didn't understand. Edi Dr. Hilary man buy no. And my or buy no and Margaret Thatcher also buy. I think say Margaret Thatcher buy me and we to buy September Lima. It will buy no one so introduce no one so accept to it. Ain't Dr. Hilary man allow Emma or my last to be a to me call a one man so me that time on me so no me can be. It me early 80s, you know, and me so started a kwan so call. Na me turn the until JJ Ombe Bubu Mokola na the adene. I saw everything. Eti me nimu die si wakana. I know everything. So na wiase nyame emre na emre pa. Me na mua na janyame sansa ni me abetra bro. Chen me ba kromans ba besua a market system no. My businesses. My school, my adwuma, me hu e de ekoso. Emwa o man no. So me mama, for instance, say now Ghana ni be would be from 50 years above for econo. Well, at least about 80%. All my Tana Accra, Kumasi, Takura, then big cities. Obia ko cinema da. But now no, e be ready 40 years. Omo na NC cinema demo da. Now there cinema. The whole cast was cinema anyhow. So pesika, aban pesika. Well, how many people and we able to me I pray 1954 and a French maybe a friend named Morris or introduced VAT 80 eba and the Ghana and V8 no take effect 19 that was 95 and they say their time no crani akwesi no crani entwa and now ko hwe obetua VAT and this assuming say the whole Ghana film cinema will be so government will make a lot of revenue from there. Very simple. But the problem is look at the minimum wage. Minimum wage, does not qualify you to do that. Must be at the Biana make I am a percent of what you must hear. Minimum wage in Ghana and yeah, general. The youth they control, they control we as youth they income back. Well, apart from say cinema, creative art, enipa ebe fawom. Almost almost celebrities, sika omutia taxes, omutia ni nyina ato nsuom. Class disco so ne niema. Well, you to no betimi akwa abe generate revenue aba ato nsuom. Masa yempe sika one side. My first video bit here, I say bet me abo aban no. I'm na create about between 1.5 to 2 million just as a minimum wage. Minimum they are so America. But now you can't do it because the phone private sectors in be control minimum wage. Who employ only 1 million. And the private sectors they don't have money. So obey saying you can't do it. This will be a minimum bet channel. Say the hana obe fast or obe sika. So nti ade ru nimu a obi a onimu aba for esu obi nimu no wa bomode ahwehwe nipa no enu te me fa phone free minister no because kuro no ya media they say me America say aka me mfie say nwasa ase so onyame ma me 20 years ka ho ane adom so ahụ me nya 20 years ka me na 30 years na adom but who be wu Nananom ba are they going to come and suffer? Tamani a twand ye wakra UTC animu hor, name twand ye or UTC animu horum. Then nipa and no cockra won't mean for her. And the lolly quamo cantamatuina ye tom broad ye ko bin in Yama Bibli. You can't even go anywhere. It is for the next 5 years and the Ghana and the that's a question. Next 5 good years and the crab and the 10 years. And the population of Kwan air Kosoro. Enti minuanom obi a obetie me last me de me normal to so the onim officials ni bia me de minimum say enipa no bebre o a wo ka asam kra ono de officer en kwase asam wo akọ school adru baby no anya akonya nto wo de wo kan kwase asam but the me maye no I've done a lot of practical in the market market no me maye bi 1995 me call Ghana me started Eko fa ntale wo Far East. Me introduce you e buy a market. Ghana, yes. The bad me the namokola Kanishi market and na the ade. Ne skirt bi a ne frɛ ne yɛtwitwa mu ne my brows and me start is an man and no before edi me wɔ knowledge e wɔ him of the business and enti nneɛma na me yɛ no me nya ne kwa video me wɔ knowledge bi ne ba bia problem ne wɔ problem no anu ti ye produce ade a yɛ ntɔ wɔ Ghana no a abrochire deɛ na na ba even agricos kwa o produce ade a ɔne yɛ bi wɔ Ghana deɛ no bo wɔ de nkyɛ agricos. It is our problem na so mutumi identify no almost always our problem no. No na ama yesika na ekosoro no. Me person ben clear. Me hu ade we for 20 years ago. Ye currency na ekosoro no. There is a problem. Okay, say bibia anya kwa asase so. Wow. And ye see so na adwuma me ye no niam ton na de ade no. Minya experience. There is a problem. And that problem no and me person me boa won. Na me solve sa problem no. Anya sa edwuma a obe create in one district one factory na enu baby look at the population about 2.12%. Over 600,000 a year. But this I want to say India ababe na abaswa wotimi employ for about 200,000 a year. You can't. And do it then people will suffer. Crime rate be kosro enema basa ebe kosro flooding so be kakra yinkura si nyina esu yiri be si wo because obi wie school office the whole Accra look at Accra capital unhu office ba bia Kumasi office ba bia ni ho enu one office also obi a wie school no aba betena krom no wo moto ade yo abrochi atie ntisa enti be sra menuanom me come phone number no message dia to be 079 50 79 4725. Last me ba na ye no wrong. Me ba boy no ye man or ye wrong. Oh me ba boy over 13 years we how. You to one ye bibia ma me krom ano. Development na ye koso. Obi a ye bibia but what about your country? Dimesra me dum besi ye ya. Na mesa koso asan be yi biwa meye no more sene empanifo no omote a me enya kura no abrochira me wo no the basic say enipa bo wiase bia obenya usika obenya baby du tiato obenya duane edi obekọ pension me obi edimini problem but what about ye nuanom omwo Ghana no nso aye o how na amane nyina no enyina police fo ya na ebe sofa police for nso musika yesen okuya obi akobokro no obi akoyese ne yaso police for akogina animu at the end of the day ne yebo mutuo no omo ne akromfo yeko enye fine entimi de me stress me de mo a metimi aboa entimi san de me no mana sa ato so wo a wunnim no ne yie mu na yepe medum besi ha